Hello Houston, this is Jason Hammond from the Children's Museum Houston. I am inside the Inventor's Workshop and I am here to show you a very fun activity called scent balloons and scent boxes. And this activity is brought to you by the good people at Centerpoint Energy. Let's go ahead and have some fun today. Friends, I want to remind you, science can be fun, but it can also be dangerous. We're working with different types of extracts and you might be allergic to a certain extract. So you want to first ask your parents, hey mom, hey dad, hey uncle, hey aunt, someone that's a responsible adult, should I be using this extract or should I get a different type? If you go to the grocery store, when you're in the baking goods sections, there are so many different extracts, we're sure you can find some. So please be safe and don't hurt yourself. This is a really simple activity to get started. Just grab a balloon, grab one of your extracts, and I'll show you how to prepare the balloon. You'll need different extracts. I'm using lime extract, mint extract, coconut extract, and pumpkin spice extract. Gather yourself some balloons, some cotton balls. This cup is filled with vinegar. I'll tell you why in a moment. These are little boxes that you can make. This will be on our website, so you can download that, print it, and go ahead and cut them out. Grab some tape. I'm using masking tape, but you can use prettier tape than me, or you can use yarn, or you can use string to tie it up, and a pair of scissors. Also, this little pipette right here, if you have it, is a good tool to use. If you don't have it, you can actually use your finger with the vinegar. To prep your balloons is really simple. I already have 3 of them prepped because I didn't want you to have to watch me do it over and over and over again. But you just want to grab one of your balloons. It's best to get different colors for each balloon so you remember which extract you put in case you can't smell it after a while. And just go ahead and pour some in. And then you're going to want to blow it up. Then you're going to go ahead and tie it off like you would a regular balloon. And then give it a big smell. And you can smell it. And then grab your tape and scissors and go ahead and cut off a piece of tape and tape it next to the rest of the balloons. Now that you have all your balloons set up, let's talk a little bit about the science before we do the experiment. When you put these extracts into the balloons, you're not smelling the extracts from the outside. You are smelling them from the inside. That's because when you smell something, you're smelling scent molecules. And scent molecules are nano-sized. That means they are 1/1000th the size of a meter. And a meter's a little bit over 3 feet. So 1/1000th that size is really small. The balloon skin looks like there's no holes in it, but there are. There's very tiny holes. But the scent molecules are even smaller. So they're able to diffuse through. They're able to leak through so that you can smell them. So, to make this experiment fair, I'm going to have my friend John over here smell the balloons and tell me what scent he thinks I added to them. Are you ready, John?
I think so.
Let's do this.
Big red gum, I think. It smells like my grandma. That's definitely mint. Ooh, that smells like lime. Am I right?
You know what, John? You did pretty good. This one is lime. You can find lime extracts and lemon extracts. This one is definitely mint. Sometimes it says mint, sometimes it says spearmint extract. This one, the pink balloon that you said smells like your grandma, probably smells like a lot of people's grandmas because it's coconut. Oh. It's a coconut extract. So maybe it's in their shampoo, it's in their body wash or whatever else. And this blue one over here, yes, it does have that smell of red hot, but it's a spice. It's a pumpkin spice. So there's some cinnamon in there, there's some nutmeg, all that kind of stuff. So as you can see, even though the scents are contained inside the balloon, they diffuse out, permeate out, leak out, and you can smell them.
Oh, very cool.
Awesome. Just like I added these extract smells to these balloons, When you deal with natural gas, there is a smell added to it. It's called mercaptan. It's a thiol, and it smells a little bit like rotten eggs. In reality, natural gas is both colorless, you can't see it, and it's odorless, you can't smell it. But because, for safety reasons, we want to be able to smell it, we go ahead and add that smell to it so that if your gas line is leaking, you know that it's leaking. The balloons on the other side of the table, those smelled really nice. Human beings like nice smelling things. We like the smell of flowers. We like the smell of coconut and lime. It's very, very pleasant to us. But when it comes to natural gas, we don't want it to smell nice. Remember, natural gas is actually colorless and odorless. So we add a smell to it so that we know it's leaking in our homes or leaking outside somewhere. If it smelled nice, we might think, oh, someone's baking cookies, or wow, that cake smells really good. No, we want it to smell bad. We want it to smell sharp, acidic. We want it to smell like a warning. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to invite John over to smell this balloon, and we're going to see his reaction.
All right. Oh, is that apple cider vinegar maybe?
Very, 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 very close. It's not
Burned.
apple cider vinegar, it's just regular old vinegar. And what he's smelling is the acetic acid within. The scent box is really easy to make too. This pattern right here, you can find on our website. You can download it, you can print it out, and you can go ahead and cut it out and make it. I've already done 2 of them. Why did I do 2? Because I'm gonna soak one of my cotton balls with a good smelling extract, and I'm gonna soak one of them with vinegar, okay? That way, you can see the difference between good smelling scent boxes and bad smelling scent boxes. The good smelling scent boxes are a nice gift, you know, just for any day of the week, any time of the year. Hey, you like this smell of lime? I'm gonna go ahead and soak this up, put it inside this scent box and give it to you. You can also use the bad smelling one as a way of drilling your family in the safety of natural gas. You can give them the bad smelling one and be like, okay, you smell that bad smell? Let's pretend that's natural gas. If you smell that bad natural gas smell in your home, leave your home, walk out, go to a neighbor's home, have them allow you to use their phone to call Centerpoint. A technician will come out and they will fix the problem. Never ever stay in a house where natural gas is leaking out. Anything that you do could cause a major problem. We're gonna make a good smelling scent box and we're gonna make a bad smelling scent box. Remember, the good one is to give as a gift. The bad one is a way to show your family, hey, if you smell something bad like this in the house and we're not cooking something like that, let's get out of here. Very simple what you're gonna do here. First, you just cut out the pattern, go ahead and fold it at the edges like this. And then you have a little box. Now, you're not gonna tie it yet. You still have to put the cotton inside and then put the scent on it, and then you can tie it up, tape it up however you want. Go ahead and grab your cotton ball. I'm gonna use the lime extract. You just go ahead and squeeze it on there. Soak it up good, and then open up the box. Open up the box, put it inside, then go ahead and close it off. And this is where you can go ahead and decorate it, tape it up, tie it up, make it look pretty, and give it to someone that you care about. So here's my good smelling one, and it smells really, really good. I love it. This lime smell. It almost smells like a soap, and people might think it's a soap, but really it's just something to smell when you're sitting around and you're like, oh, it'll cheer me up, it's smelling something really good. Now for the bad smelling one, go ahead and put your cotton ball in right away. Remember, you don't want to give this to someone. I mean, it's a nice prank sometimes, but you really don't want to do that. We're gonna go ahead and pipette the vinegar onto this one. This is exactly what we did with the balloon too, because the vinegar's in a big cup and it's really, really hard to pour it without soaking everything. So we're just gonna go ahead and use this pipette. And then the same thing, you just close it up, tie it up, and have your family smell this one as a warning against natural gas. Thank you for joining me and my friend John for this really fun scent balloon and scent box activity. I do want to thank Centerpoint Energy once again for sponsoring this and allowing me to be here to do this activity with you. I do want to urge you, as you watch this video, to hit the subscribe button. If you're on Facebook, subscribe to us. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to us. Instagram, subscribe to us so that you can see all the fun videos that we have to offer. Also, if you do the scent balloon activity or make a scent box, go ahead and post a picture of it on our social medias. Post it to Facebook. Go ahead and put it up on Instagram. Let us see it on Twitter. My name is Jason Hammond. I am the Outreach Science Manager and the Life Science Educator here at the Children's Museum Houston. Thanking you once again for joining me. I hope you have a really, really good day, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks a lot, everybody. Bye.